To remove the drive shaft from the transmission flange, you need to remove all those bolts. Also notice the bolt with the links. You will need spline bits, that's 8mm spline bits, to remove the drive shaft bolts. So when you remove the right-hand drive shaft fixing bolts, you can use the bit fitting like that. And because there's the angle here, so it may be helpful if you turn the wheel to turn the drive shaft. Make sure you engage neutral.
So you can turn the disc to turn the drive shaft. So when you turn it, it will be at a position easier for you to loosen the bolt.
Here are just some tricks. And when I remove the drive shaft bolts, I use this ratchet. Is 3/8, and this is a 3/8 to 1/4 inch converter. This is a flexible 1/4 inch flexible, and here is just a 1/4 inch 10mm socket. And then I use this bit, so all connected together. And another trick is, so use the screwdriver.
You can turn the disc by inserting the screwdriver into the disc and turn the disc.
When you're loosening the screw, you catch it that way and make this screwdriver to be stopped by this caliper. The brake caliper will stop the rotor rotating so that you can loosen the drive shaft bolts. So when you are tightening, so you're going to put the screwdriver this side, so that's just the other way. So you can see, you can just get a screwdriver over there. The tricks, so you can remove or tighten the drive shaft bolts. Here are the bolts we removed from the drive shaft to the transmission. So we have links to link every two bolts together.